With my tips today, I want to give you of my knowledge, really making clear and clean skin easy and making sense. So you can think about that as like the really only, I don't know, post or video you need for clear skin, the essentials and the most important. So don't let endless advices and I don't know, TikTok videos or all these social media and overloads of products confuse you and find yourself like with unnecessary breakout, too many products that you don't know what to do with. Let's make it simple. Let's make it working and effective. What you really need for a clear skin, because doing it in the right way could make the difference between skin that is full with breakouts and acne and just not very calm and not clean, to skin that is relaxed, is clean, and is a beautiful canvas to apply makeup if you use makeup, or just to be a healthy skin. So a lot of people believe that you only need to wash your face to remove makeup, or only wash it when it looks dirty. So in actuality, it's recommended that you wash your face twice a day. However, the amount of time that you wash it is less important than how you do it. Yeah, because even overwash it and thinking like, okay, I'm gonna wash it 5 times a day, it's not gonna help you if you're not doing it right. So no matter what your skin type is, the texture or your condition of the skin, we still want to do it the right way, and there's a right way for all skin types. And if you, especially like in the nighttime, like if avoiding cleaning the skin in the nighttime will age you in about 10 years overnight, and we don't want that. So removing makeup, dirt, and all the pollutions from the air will help you prepare the skin for your skincare routine, as well as support the skin in its overnight or overday regeneration and renewal process. So if you're ready for a clean skin, here are my best tips for you. Number 1, when you wear makeup, properly remove all your makeup first before applying any cleanser or anything, or scrub or whatever. You have to remove the makeup first, because normal face wash will not remove the makeup. So you want to use a gentle makeup remover to get the job done before you start actually cleansing, especially before you go to sleep. Pores are used to purging out toxins overnight, and if they are clogged and there's still makeup there, everything will be still there, will be clogged. So you always want to ask yourself, is what I'm doing clogging my pores or on my skin, or detoxing it? So this applies to all skin type, even if you got like really good and nice skin. You have to simply first remove all makeup, eyes and face. And yeah, so I like to use the double layer makeup remover that is made of oil phase and a flower water phase. I give it a little shake. I put on a cotton pad. First apply gently on my eyes, don't rub it, just gently remove it, and then you can go on the whole face. Very important. Second is the cleansing. Don't use harsh soap bars to clean your face. Don't think that the strongest the cleanser is, the better it is. Facial cleanser, especially natural, are made for delicate skin, are made to help your skin be clean without dehydrating it, without irritating it. So nothing strong, like nothing too harsh, and of course not the soap powder that you use for your body. Yeah. There is a tendency for people to look for the foaming one, the one that makes foam, because they think that if it doesn't make foam, it's not cleaning. But foaming can actually strip your skin of more natural oils, and foaming usually made by chemicals just to make it foamy and like make people think that it removes dirt better. So you don't need that. Like if you use a gentle face cleanser, again made of a few layers based on natural ingredients, you just put some in your hand, wet your face, massage your face for a minute and wash it, and here you go. It doesn't have to make bubbles or whatever. It's just gently cleaning the skin without drying it. So step number 1 was removing makeup. Step number 2, using natural and gentle and hydrating cleanser. By the way, even if you have oily skin, stay away from oil-free products, because they're gonna strip away all the oils. And if you have no oils on your skin gets more irritated. So also oily skin needs some oils. Okay, so now the next tip I want to give for you is to use water that are not too hot but not too cold, something in the middle, because too hot water can cause irritation, and cold waters are great, but I will use them after the skin is completely clean, to close it and refresh it. But if you use only cold water also for your cleaning process, it will not remove the dirt well. So we use low water, yeah, not too hot, not too cold. And some people are saying, can I just wash my face with water? Well, according to American Academy of Dermatology, it's best to use gentle cleanser once again. So we had makeup remover, we had gentle cleanser. Let's move to exfoliating. Exfoliating is good because it removes the dead skin cells, but we don't want to overdo it. When we overdo it, we strip away the good oils in the skin and we irritate the skin. So I recommend once a week, maybe twice if you're like super greasy, oily skin and you feel it. Use a gentle scrub to remove dead skin cells once or twice a week. After the cleaning, softly massage it on your skin in circulate movement and wash. If you want, on my website, on Pure website, on the blog, there are hundreds of do-it-yourself face scrubs, which are really fun and easy to make. Normally like 2-3 ingredients, nothing, you don't need to go to the Himalaya to get a special root. Normally it's things that you have. So I will put a link to the blog so you can find your do-it-yourself if you like to create. One sign of over-exfoliating is that the skin becomes hypersensitive and irritated and breakouts. So watch out for that. Once, maybe twice a week, exfoliating. Next tip. The tools that you use, for example, a blender or something to clean the skin, you want to make sure that they are super clean. So if you don't clean them every day after every sponges, really, unless you clean them every day, because they absorb bacteria and dirt, and then you go and wash again with them. So this is another tip. either avoid and use your clean hands, or clean your sponges or what you use for cleaning every day. One more tip, don't forget your jawline and your neck. They are just prone to dirt exactly as your face. And I say it as well for your face cream. When you apply your face cream, don't forget this part. So keep moving with spreading out the cream, but with cleaning also, don't forget your jawline and your neck. And when you finish your cleaning process, gently pat dry your skin with a towel. Make sure it's not a towel that you use for your body, so you can just get these small towels. They are not expensive, and gently pat dry, gently, and not like rubbing the skin, because like extremely rubbing the skin will irritate it. And as I said before, you don't need to wash your face too often. When you overwash it, you irritate it. So twice a day is more than enough. And to close this whole process, the makeup remover, the cleanser, once a week exfoliator, use a flower toner which made out of water or flowers like geranium, like lavender, like jasmine, depends on your skin. It will hydrate the skin, it will close the cleansing, and will make your skin look and feel super refreshed. So to repeat again the steps, we remove makeup, we gently use cleanser, we use water that are not too cold and not too hot, and we exfoliate once, maybe twice a week, and we end up with a toner. Cleansers you want to avoid in all costs are bar soaps, especially ones you use for the body, are cleansers with perfumes or with colors that are not natural. Perfume is like a whole different subject I will talk about, that will super irritate your skin. Good face for acne? No, you don't need this. If you have scent in your product, make sure it's natural. It's essential oils, which also contribute for your skin health. You wanna not use harsh chemicals and foaming cleansers, and not use these ones that say like daily exfoliator cleansers, because again, it will strip away the good oils in your skin and will make it more easy for breakout. So all this easy routine is your home routine. It doesn't replace a regular facial if you really want to have that clear, glowing, healthy skin. So after applying this 4-step cleansing at home in your routine, schedule your facial every 4 to 6 weeks, depends on your skin conditions, to really maintain this beautiful clear canvas of yours. I'm welcoming you to Pure Natural Salon to experience full beauty, and I have tons of advice and tips and knowledge that I share during the treatments. For any questions, please comment below, send me a message, and I'm happy to help.